Good morning. I want to tell you about my daily routine today. I woke up at 5:30. My friend wanted me to pick him up and drop him at college in Baghdad. I woke up earlier. I had a shower. I drank my cup of coffee. Then I turned on my car to warm it up. This is a bad procedure that I do. I know it is wrong, but I keep doing it. I wore my suit because I wanted to meet a businessman. I drove my friend into traffic in Baghdad. It was such a traffic day today. We went to visit a couple of friends there. After that, we had delicious breakfast. When we finished breakfast, we went to see our third friend. When we saw our third friend, we decided to meet again sometime later. When we returned home, we were exhausted. I took a shower and then I called my friend to check on him to see if he arrived home. He told me that he received his salary today and he went shopping with his family and his two daughters. His brother took him for shopping because he doesn't know how to drive the car. We laughed about a funny situation and then we decided to get together again in the evening. I'll have 2 classes in the evening with 2 of my friends, and then we'll get together for a little chat and a hot cup of coffee. Thank you so much. This is my daily routine.